Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Take Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Movie Studio 17 tutorial on a paintbrush transition. Now this transition here, you can get it free from Production Crate. I'll put links in the description below where you can download it from if it's a free download. So let's begin. Let's grab our media, drag the timeline, and grab our transition, drag this on the top timeline, and our last clip, drag it on top of this one. Let's make it a little bigger using the mouse scroll wheel. Put your cursor right at the end of this clip and press S to split it, and move this clip to the bottom. Now, on the transition clip, go to Event FX, select Vegas Mask Generator, click OK. Make compositing child. And the first track, multiply mask. And watch this. It's a beautiful transition. I really like this transition. It's really cool. And it's free. So once again, I'll put links to Production Crate on in the description below this video. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.